Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a simple floor plan of a single room so that you can learn from this single room to make the whole floor plan. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna draw a line of 10 feet and press enter. Now again drag it down and press 12 feet. For the reference I'm using 10 by 12. So click on 12, enter. Now again join with the upper line and click again and press escape. So now we have to use offset. We're going to provide 9-inch offset, so it defines the wall thickness. We're going to use 9-inch. So click on this line and drag it up. Click on this line and drag it there. Click on the both lines, and now to join these lines we're going to use another command, which is chamfer command. So here we have, besides the fillet, click on the arrow and click chamfer. Now select both lines, so this will join the lines without in a simple way. So now again use this command for these lines, and now again for the bottom lines click on this one and click this one, and again we're going to use the same command, click on this one and this. Now here we have a room. Now we're going to provide a door for the entry. So for the door we're going to use line method. Draw a line on the outer side of the room and click escape. Now we're going to use offset method. We're going to provide 3-inch offset so that we can have a little space on the back side of the door. Now delete the previous one. Okay, now use the offset method again. Click on type offset and press 3 feet. Now we're going to drop this here. So again we have a door, and now we're going to use trim method. Trim these two lines. Here we have an entry for the room. For now we're gonna create a door. Now click on this line and drag it up. Make sure you have the same dimensions as you have selected for the entry. So we're gonna put 2 inches here. Now again drop this down, connect it with the wall. Here we have a door. So to draw a swing for the door, click on arc and click on the start and direction. Now click on the upper side of the door and bottom side of the wall and click and drag for the direction. Here we have a swing for the door. And now again we're gonna draw a simple window. So again we're gonna find the midpoint and draw a line. Here we have a line. Now again we're gonna use offset method. We're gonna type offset and press enter. We're gonna use 2 feet offset. So 2 feet plus 2 feet is equal to 4 feet window. So we're gonna have a 4 feet window. I'm using 2 feet offset. So again click on this line, and here we have a 2 feet offset, and again here we have a 2 feet offset. Now we're gonna use line, draw a line between outer lines, and here we have a line. And again we're going to use offset method. Click on offset and provide a 1-inch offset both sides. So click on the middle one line and drag it up and drag it down and delete the middle one. Click on the middle one and delete this one too. So here we have a simple house room. So with the use of these methods you can create a fully functional floor plan. So this video is for beginners only. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.